So we've already worked on the lead finger jab, now we're going to work on the finger jab from the back hand. Generally you want to throw it off the front because it's closer to your opponent, but there's all sorts of applications for the rear hand. Same thing as always, good stance. Going to lower my weight, turning from my center first. Center line, sternum or spine projected forward. Same thing, I want that finger jab to be as straight as possible. Again, not here, here. When I have my shoulder protecting my face, that really helps to get it on the straightest line as possible. So as we're dropping, rotating, and back, retracting back. Rotating from my center, rotating on my back leg, back. Very important on this is to have a bend, slight bend in your fingers. It's simple, you don't want to jam your fingers. There's shock absorption when you impact. Okay? If you have your hand out, it's just much more comfortable. Even if you hit a bag, you can hit a bag full power. So if we're squared off here, Brittany, this is generally, again, I want this, but there's going to be reasons that we're going to throw it from the rear hand. But I'm going to go right past your head. Okay? Okay? That, nothing changes, and you'll notice that this gives extra distance. When I'm here, the retraction, okay? Here, retract. The retraction is just as important as throwing the strike out there. So we're here, I'm just going to go inside your head, okay? So we're going to demonstrate the move with a knife in all different variations of attack. So first we're going to have Brittany do the ice pick, which I've been getting a lot of feedback on the internet. This doesn't happen a lot, the ice pick step. That's not true. It's very effective. So as I'm here, and we've already gone over bursting, catching this angle here, coming off to the side as much as I can, as much as I have time for, and at the same time, I'm going to finger jab. Same time. The step in will help. I'm turning my hips, but stepping in will help. Here we are. Okay? Catching it. This is if you're not trapped and you get away. If you get your opponent with a good jab to the eyes, it can end the fight, and you can get away from the knife attacker. Very dangerous with the knife. So you're going to go underneath or to the side. Here we are. Bursting to the eyes. Okay? I want to get as much on that hand blade as I can. Taking, again, this is one of the only times I want to break posture, taking my core out of the equation as much as I can on this. Okay? See? Go ahead again. There you go. And she's going different angles, which is perfect. I have to pay attention. Okay? The last, and this is the most difficult, is a straight, educated jab. Stepping off to the side, getting an angle, and I'm coming across. I've seen this. Too dangerous, though. People will try to go underneath and try to, yes. I want to go over the top, get some distance. When I hit, I'm turning here. I'm not just, and I'm getting an angle. Application, empty hand. Chris is going to cross, parry, okay, go right at, parry, okay, right over the top. Here, okay, I'm going to go kind of fast. Okay, here we are. All right, now he's going to hook, going to bring it, same time, and then I can cover, same time. Very devastating. Now we're going to show actually if they're wearing glasses what to do as well. It's something people don't think about. So way to go underneath the glasses. So notice if my fingers are curved, what happens is I come in an upward angle, because people have asked me what if they're wearing glasses. This pushes his glasses up, hitting at an upward angle, and that moves it and it goes right into his eye. We're going to get into another move here later where I'm hitting from the side, coming around the glasses.
Yeah, but basically you just aim for just below the glasses.
Yep, either side.
And let the motion of your fingers that are curled do the rest when it hits there.